My present discussion is Viresan Karma, purgative methods of therapeutics in Panchakarma. Viresan is a method of treatment in which doshas eliminate through faces, especially liquid faces, by increasing bowel movements. Useful condition of Viresan. Jirnajar means chronic fever including leukemia. Two, Kushta skin diseases including leprosy. Three, Rameha urinary anomalies including metabolic origin, diabetes mellitus. Number 5, Bhagandar, fistula. Number 6, Zakrit Liharo, hepatosplenomegaly. Number 7, Arbor, tumor including benign and malignant. Galaganda, goiter. 9, Granthi, glandular enlargement. Number 10, Mutragraha, urinary obstruction. Number 11, Creamy, worms. Number 12, Bisharpa, erysipelas. Number 13, Pandu, anemia. Number 40, Shiruru, headache. Number 15, Pristasur, backache. Number 16, hridrog, heart disease. Number 17, Kasa, cough and bronchitis. Number 18, SARS, asthma. Number 19, Kamala, jaundice. Number 20, Kumbhakamla, obstructive hepatitis. Number 21, Apasmat, epilepsy. Number 22, Unmad, mental disorder. Number 23, Vatarakta, gout. Number 24, Sukradosh, deformities of sperms. Number 25, Udar Rog, abdominal enlargement including ascites. Number 26, Vivanda, constipation. Number 27, Anaha, tympanitis. Number 28, Shotha, edema. Number 29, sleeper, diarrhea. Number 30, Stannadushti, deformities of mother's milk. Number 31, Vriddhi, reflex, Vriddhi. Number 32, Pitta, Pitta prominent disease. Contraindication of Viresan. Navajara, acute fever. Ajirna, indigestion and dyspepsia. Atisha, diarrhea. Number 4, Agramanda, very good gastric fire. Number 5, Otishuska, very dry patient. Number 6, Otishuska, very oil patient. Number 7, Kurakushka, very hard burn. Number 8, Raktapitta, hemoptysis. Number 9, Radharakshma, tuberculosis. Number 10, Otisolia, very fatty. Number 11, Oti Krisha, very thin. Number 12, Oti Briddha, very old age. Number 13, Shishu, very small child. Number 14, Oti Durbal, very old. Number 15, Sramakalanta, fatigue by hard physical work. Number 16, Vyamaklanta, fatigue by excessive exercise. Number 17, Ratiklanta, fatigue by excessive sexual intercourse. Number 18, Garbhini, pregnant woman. Number 19, Prasuti, woman after delivery. Number 20, Hridrog, acute heart disease. Number 21, Gudabrana, fissure. Number 22, Gudabrangsha, prolapsanas. Useful drugs for Videshana. Number 1, Arundatuilo, castor oil. Number 2, Tidri, Aparculinator Pita. Number 3, Harisati, Terminalia Shivura. Number 4, Sannapatri, Cassia angustifolia. Number 5, Araggas, Sandal, Cassia fistula. Number 6, Isabgol, Plantago Ovada. Number 7, Falgo, Anjir, Ficus Carica. Number 8, Krishnavis, Kaladana, Ipomia, Hedadesia. Number 9, Sanaxide, Argumum Maxiana. Number 10, Katuki, Picrodhisia curua. Drastic purgative drugs. Danti, Belisperman montanum. Dravanti, means Jaipal. Protontilia, Snowy, Euphorbia nerifolia. Orca Calatropis gigantea. Intravari rectulus colosynthesis. Conquista, Kamal, Garcinia morera. Indications. Purgative medicine is always given in empty stomach. Number 2, mild purgative can be given in night at bedtime with hot water. Such medicine can produce 1 to 2 motion in the morning. Number 3, all drastic purgative should be taken in the morning, 7 to 8 a.m. with plain water. Number 4, nothing by mouth should be taken after this drug until satisfactory result. Care to be taken during dilation. Wash for Ajuk and Otijuk obligation to be prepared. Number 2, patient should be instructed to wash his stool for number, color, frequency and consistency. Number 3, wash for complication and their careful treatment to be taken. Complications of Ajuk, improper bag, bowel movement are not observed properly, frequent motion but little in quantity and with obstruction. 3. Motion with pain. 4. Heaviness in body. 5. Indigestion. 6. Anorexia. 7. Produces vomiting instead of purgation. Number 8. Stupor. Number 9. Burning in stomach and body. Number 10. Constipation and difficulty in urination. Number 11. Itching in body. Number 12. Signs and symptoms of aggravated Vata. Management of above complications. If there is no result of mild purgative, use strong purgative. Number 2. If strong purgative is not effective, take rest on that day, then take proper Snehapan and take more strong dose next day. Number 3. In pain occurs, use Sularaj Loha or Mahagnivati or Mahasankavati. Number 4. Symptomatic treatment to be given for other complications like burning. Number 5. Nirvavasti to be given if proper Sudhar is not possible by Breshana. Complications of Ati Yoga. Number of bowel movements increases from expected vagus. Number 2. Excessive quantity of fecal matter. Number 3. Frequent water discharge. Number 4. Fatigue, weakness and fainting. Number 5. Tremors in legs and hands. Number 6. Bleeding through anus. Number 7. What is watery and mucus motion. Number 8. Concupiscence. Management of above complications. Following medicine to be given for control of vagus. A. Bhuvaneshwarvati or Sri Nipati Vallabhati or Maharaj Nipati Vallabhati. 500 mg TDS with water. Immediate care to be taken for avoid dehydration and ORS should be given. For this purpose, green coconut water, rose juice, lemon juice with sandalwood and general salt may be given. Number 3. In case of Jaipal, Protontiglium, Yoga and hot drinks like hot water, hot tea or coffee can stop bowel movement. So this can be used to stop vagus of Ichabhedi Ras, etc. Medicine. Common complication of bad management of Vamana and Vireshana and their proper management. Number 1. Advan, Temptanitis, Apra Vishnu Tula or Narayan Tula or Sula Gajendra Tula on abdomen and then fermentation to be given, followed Murti, or prayer to be applied. Number 2, Barikartika, pain in rectum and inguinal region, Upavasa, fasting, and Pachana, digestive tracts like Mahagnivati, Agni Kumar Ras, Mahasankavati to be given in this condition, and local application of Jattadi, Grita, Alkali, Pichavasti, in case of bleeding to be used. Parisharva, excretion of fecal matter in small quantity but frequently. In this condition, Maharaj Nivati Vallabh, Mustakarishta or Kutajarishta, Kutajaganavati, etc. medicine can be used 2 to 3 times daily with water. Number 4, Ridagraha pain in chest or heart area. In this condition, read Chintamani or Chintamani Ras of Hridroga to be taken with honey and Godmakar. Number 5, Angagraha means body ache. In this condition, Nagandavati is a drug of state. Nagandavati or Badgadankur 250 mg to be taken with honey and Sarasa Badraka. Number 6, Jivadana, fresh bleeding. This problem may be occurred through mouth in Vamana and rectum in Virechana. In this condition, Aladigutika, Ushirasa, Basa Kushmanda Khanda, Raktapittanta Kloha, and Sunitargal Ras, etc. are drugs of trash. Aladigutika 1 to 3 gram to be taken 3 to 4 times with water for bleeding through Vamana, Ushirasa, and Basakushmanda Khanda, also effective medicine in this condition. And Raktapittanta Kloha, Sunitargal Ras, Kutajaganavati, Kutajarishta, Kutajavaleho, etc. are very effective medicine in this condition. Bleeding through Virechana, Raktapittanta Kloha and Sunitargal Ras should be taken with honey and juice of Durba, Sandaran juice of Udbapanna, Eupatorium Ayapana, Pichavasti to be given. Number 7, Udabhrangsha, Prasarkram. In this condition, Udabhrangsha Batika to be taken with tarka or sugar and juice of Padmapatra, Nilambo nocifera, local use of Changari Grita or Mustaka or fat of ox, also useful and is also to be used. In the condition of Sarijana Vibhrama, psychological treatment should be given. Number 8, Gatra Stamba, stiffness in body. In this condition, langhana means fasting, pachana means digestive of amarasa, and tikshna basti to be given. Number 9, upadrava, vataja, pain and stiffness. In this condition, Udbhanga, message, and sadhana to be given. Number 10, klama means fatigue. In this condition, rangana, pachana, snehana, rest and tonics to be given. Rasaraj Raj, Sanjivanmati, Magaradhas, Ras, Dasamularista, Sanjivani, Rasan, etc. medicine are very useful for fatigue condition. Usefulness of Vilasana. Number 1, diseases of Pitta and Rakta, impurity of blood. Number 2, fat and bulkiness of body. Number 3, joint and marrow disease. Number 4, disorders of mother's milk, seminal fluid, and ovum disorder. Number 5, useful of strengthen body and muscle. Useful to strengthen body and muscle. Number 6, it increases intelligence, color complexion, lifespan, and agni. Number 7, it is useful for genetic disorder and healthy pregnancy. Samsadjana karma. Samsadjana karma is a process of light diet given to the patient for improving functions of Agni after Shodhana karma. According to Ayurvedic classics, a table of Samsadjana karma is given. First day, time diet, morning, evening, prayer, madhyana prayer, avarsudan prayer, second day morning prayer, madhyana prayer, night vilepi, third day morning vilepi, madhyana vilepi, night kritajusa, third day morning vilepi, evening vilepi, madhyana vilepi, or kritajusa, night krita mangsajusa rasa. Fourth day morning vilepi, evening kritajusa, madhyana kritajusa, night krita mangsarasa. Fifth day morning kritajusa, evening kritajusa, madhyana krita mangsarasa, night krita mangsarasa. Sixth day morning krita mangsarasa, evening krita mangsarasa, night normal diet. Seventh day morning krita mangsarasa, evening normal diet, madhyana krita mangsarasa, and at night normal diet.